We're going to talk about the senses and how animals can sense things and how we process information through the senses. And so first we're going to start with this video. I apologize for it. It's rather lame, but it's the only one I could find that actually covers the information. Cover the information that I wanted to cover. So.
Oh, she's creepy.
Yeah, she looks pretty.
Okay. Here we go. So, what are some extraordinary senses that some animals have?
I like the eyesight on that hawk.
Birds of prey
Our hawk
are known for exceptional eyesight.
Vulture.
Okay, vultures have what sense that it mentioned in the video?
They
smell.
Yeah, and
They
they
have
can.
sense so they can smell different.
And remember we were talking about that they can eat dead things, even rotten things.
Mm-hmm.
That stuff.
Right.
Like one of us died.
Since they have different things in their body that make it so they can, so that toxins don't affect them.
Okay, all right. Were there any animals with a sense that humans don't possess?
Yes,
The tiger senses things with its whiskers.
With its whiskers, exactly.
We don't have whiskers.
We don't have
They
whiskers.
sense with their whole body.
Yes, it's like just a wiggling tongue going through the dirt. According to the video and to a lot of other places that I found on the internet, sharks can sense electrical fields. And so they have nerves in their body that detect magnetic waves and electrical waves, which is something that we can't do. And some birds can sense magnetic north, which is part of the reason why they can navigate while they migrate. And so, we saw the insects with the compound eyes. Yeah. One of the things that the compound eyes does is it can sense motion very easily because it breaks the picture up into all those little pixels, and then when one pixel changes,
Like salmon.
it's like salmon. Salmon don't have compound eyes. But what about the salmon?
That they
It
almost go through anything to get to the grounds where they go in. They can even jump over waterfalls.
Okay, all right. Okay, so we are going to play a little game with your worksheets. What we're going to explore is how we can process information. Now, these different, it does, whatever sense that these animals use, whether it's excellent eyesight for birds of prey, or whether it's night vision for cats, or being able to feel with their whiskers, they have to process the information that comes to them. They have to be able to interpret it so that they know how to respond to the information that they're getting through their senses. I'm going to pass this box around. There is an object inside of this box. Obviously, you can't see it. Now, the rules are this. You cannot open the box. All right? But you have to use what senses you have to get an idea of what's in the box. I'm going to give each of you 15 seconds.
What? 15 seconds?
Mm-hmm.
Are we allowed to hold it?
Yes,
Okay,
you're allowed to
good.
hold it. You're allowed to hold it. You're allowed to move it. Hey! We're gonna go clockwise around. And don't say anything. All right. Let's read the first question first.
What is in the
Okay. How many objects are in the box? All right. So think about that when you're holding the box.
Oh, one.
Don't say anything. Okay. Pass it on.
What?
Okay.
I wonder what kind of box is under that duct tape.
Are you done?
I don't want to be done.
You don't want to be done?
It's fun.
It's fun. Okay, your 15 seconds are up. Let's go to Vash. Think about that first question. Vash is smelling it. Interesting.
Hey, I was gonna do that.
Oh, okay.
It mostly smells like duct tape from here.
Okay, pass it
Another
on.
toothpaste.
Devin?
Smells like tic-tac.
Actually, you can use the sight.
Don't open it, Devin.
Do not open it, Devin. You'll ruin the experiment. Okay, Devin, pass it on. Ari's turn, Devin.
Hey, it looks like Lena was having a way longer time than that. No,
Well, all that tells me is I gotta be a lot more careful about timing you guys. Okay, alright. Alright, everyone write down your answer to the first question.
1.
I did.
Okay, is everybody in agreement? How many objects are in the box?
1.
Well, how do you know?
Because we felt it.
You felt
There's
it?
only one in here.
I wrote down all my answers because I did. I wrote down all my answers.
You wrote down all your answers, you're done.
Is
Okay.
it duct tape?
You know what? I want you to not worry about what the actual object is. I want you to worry about what properties it has. What things you can figure out about the object just using the senses that you can use to build a model in your mind about what's inside this box. So it's not going to be anything that you're going to, be able to name. All right? But you're going to be able to give me some qualities about it. Qualities about this object. You're going to be able to interpret this object through your senses that you can use with this. So what senses did we use?
I smelled.
You smelled. Did it have a smell?
No.
It smelled like duct tape.
It smelled like duct tape. Is that what's in the box or what's on the box? Okay.
I think I know what it is.
Yes, Rico? Looks like you want to say something.
I
know what it is too.
Okay. What other senses did we use
used
to try to interpret what's inside the box?
I used
Shaking.
yeah, I used feel
That's
sense.
how you make it.
So, is shaking a sense?
No.
What were you able to? What senses were you able to use?
Feel.
Feel.
Touch is one. What other sense were you able to use by
Hear.
shaking it? Hearing it. Okay, is that one of the reasons why you knew that there was only one object in the box?
Yes.
Because what would more than one object sound
Hear.
like?
You can feel everything would be moving around.
Everything would be moving around. Okay. Is what's inside the box alive?
Nothing.
Not anymore.
How do you know?
Because nothing is moving.
How would you know that there was something moving in here?
I can't hear it.
If there was something if there was something alive in there, it's not alive.
It's not alive anymore.
So no.
Yeah.
If there was something alive in here,
It was probably
what kind of things could we sense from it?
maybe it could be a rat.
We can hear it and
We could hear it.
You could.
We could hear it.
Hamsters?
And if you were just holding it without moving it, would you feel the weight change if something
Yes.
alive was moving around?
So that's feeling and hearing.
And you could probably hear it screaming.
If there is only one object, is it large or small compared to the box?
Small.
How do we know?
Because it moves around.
Yeah, if it were a larger object, it wouldn't move around so easily. We can feel the weight change. Is the object large or small compared to the box?
we already did that. Small.
Small. Everyone agrees it's small? Okay. Is the object long or short? Now what I'm
Long.
looking for,
Long.
it's long?
Yeah.
What I'm looking for is its length compared to its width. Is it a round or squarish object like a cube or a ball? Or is it a long object like a pencil?
No.
No?
Long. It's long. I know it's long.
I know it's short.
What are you trying to say, Tammy?
Don't tell them the answer. Just keep going
Yeah,
from here.
Just keep going?
Yeah.
Okay.
I know
All right.
what it is.
Me too.
Okay, is the object rough or smooth?
Smooth.
Smooth? How do you know it's smooth?
Because it's sliding super easy. And there's not stuff like
And if it was rough, it would be
louder.
traction.
It would also be louder.
Okay. It'd be louder, huh? Okay.
Scary.
All right. Does the object have sides?
Yes. I think so.
Everyone agree on that?
Yeah.
The
No,
object has
because the
sides?
circle doesn't have sides.
Okay. What color is the object?
I
What?
literally said.
Oh, how
Nothing. I didn't say anything for that.
the answer that you think is right.
A tube.
What color is the object? We don't know.
Objects have many sides.
What did Vash just say?
We don't know.
What color is the object?
We don't know.
Nothing. Black.
This is what I put down.
Brown.
Right.
There you go.
We don't know.
There you go. Put down the answer that you think is correct.
Look at
Okay. Does the object have many sides, few sides, or no sides?
Many sides.
Few
What's
sides.
your answer there, Ari?
Many.
Many? Ari thinks many.
Actually,
Anybody else agree with Ari?
Actually, no, I don't.
No
You think
sides.
few?
No
no
sides.
You
sides.
think no sides? Didn't we answer about the sides
It's
before?
cute.
Okay. Is the object heavier than a can of soda?
No.
Maybe. I put no.
Okay, we're done. Now can we open it?
No, we're not done. There's still a question left.
I want to know what it is.
Okay. What tools could you use to help you find out what's inside the box without opening it?
Sense.
There's nothing you can.
The 5 senses.
Say, okay, we've used what senses we can use. We've used our sense of weight, which is a form of sense of touch. We've used our sense of balance, which is see, people say that there's 5 senses, but there's more than 5 senses. You can sense, you have a sense of balance. You have sensors in your middle ear, semicircular canals, that help you stay upright and help you orient yourself in space. All right? And you have a sense of weight. You can feel whether something is heavy or light. These are all subsets of the sense of touch. We know that there are things that exist that are beyond our senses, like radio waves. We can't see radio waves. We can't sense them with anything we have. But we know they're there because we can use tools to detect them, to extend our senses. So I can use a radio to pick up radio waves. So are there tools that we can use to help us see what's inside it, find out what's inside this box without opening it? Any ideas?
X-rays.
X-rays. Anybody ever have an X-ray done at the hospital?
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
Flipping
we
almost
go
sprained my leg.
Yeah, we could go to the airport, throw this on the X-ray machine, and see what's inside this, just like they do with their luggage.
I don't
all right,
think I want to go
without
to the
opening
airport.
the box. All right. Okay.
I would do it.
Or
would so I can go to the
We can
Maybe-
just open it.
to help extend our senses, we use our ears a lot to find out what's in there. What if we used a stethoscope to put on here and see if we can't hear a little better? That would be a tool to help us determine what's inside the box.
Open it.
No.
Everyone's ready.
Everyone's ready? We're gonna open the box. Look at all this anticipation, all this suspense. Here's what's inside the box.
What?
Hey, pass it. Go ahead and pass it around.
It was made from popsicle sticks.
It literally felt like a light flashlight.
Popsicle sticks that are taped around a glue stick.
I know. It's
So
dumb looking.
it does have many sides.
It's dumb looking.
It is elongated. It is lighter than a can of soda. What else did we ask about it? It is not alive. So we were able to determine a lot of
Senses.
properties of this object by using just a limited amount of senses and interpreting and processing that information to come to some conclusions about that object.
Sight. Here.
Feel.
Taste.